Welcome back to the channel. So we are on question number 415 of how we will do the management of assets. So when we divide the assets, what are the types of assets? So this is the important question which would be asked. What are the types of assets? So the answer is these are two types: fixed assets and the current assets. Next question, question number 416. Give two examples of give two examples of current assets. So the two examples are, one is the two examples of current assets are inventories and cash and cash equivalents. Next question, question number 417. Give two examples of current liabilities. So the two examples of current liabilities could be, one is provision for doubtful debt, another could be trade bills payable. So go through here question number 417. After this, the next question we have with us, that is, what are the four basic assumptions of accounting? After these questions, the next very basic question, what are the four basic assumptions of accounting? First is question number 418. Question number 418. What are the basic assumptions of accounting? So you will write down the concept. First it is accounting entity concept. Next we have money measurement concept. Next question, question number 419. Explain accounting entity concept. So simply, when you will write an exam, accounting entity concept, if it is a theory exam, you will explain that the accounting period which starts from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. In this, if we take the example accounting entity, both the owner and company are different persons. Just go through the question number 419 very carefully. I have covered two concepts. Basic concept accounting entities, both the owner and company are different persons. Question number 420. Explain money measurement concept. So when we talk about this money measurement concept, all the transactions will be recorded in terms of what? Money. Means those transactions like gift and donations, if they are not recorded in terms of money, they will not come under the money measurement concept. Next question. Question number 421. Question number 421. That is, what is dual aspect concept? For every debit, there is a credit. For every debit, there is a credit. For example, machinery purchased worth rupees 10,000. So the entry will be machinery account debited to cash rupees 10,000. So in both the cases, the value of debit is equals to credit. That is dual aspect concept. Question number 422. That is, what is accounting period concept? What is accounting period concept? Every year begins from 1st April and closes on 31st March. So this is the accounting period concept. Next question. Question number 423. This time I am giving you an MCQ with theory base also, which is very much important. Question number 423. Question number 423. When we talk about question number 423, we have a question. What is revenue realization? What is revenue realization? The answer is the transaction to be recorded. The transaction to be recorded when the revenue is realized. For example, in this case, the revenue is realized when the revenue is realized. For example, the revenue on 31st March was 30,000 from sale of machinery. So here in accounting entry, the revenue will be realized on which date? 31st/3/2023. This is very much important. The transaction will be recorded when the revenue is realized, then only. This is important thing. From this we take out one important concept, that is accrual. What is accrual things? Question number 424. Accrual basis. Accrual basis say when the transaction has not still occurred, means accrual basis अभी किसी भी ट्रांजैक्शन की अमाउंट आई नहीं है और उसको हम तब तक रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकते जब तक वो अमाउंट नहीं आई. सपोज जो चेक हमने इशू किए थे बट दे हैव नॉट बीन डिपॉजिटेड इनटू बैंक, सो इट इज एन accrual basis, means the revenue is not realized. So in accrual basis says, if accrual basis means if an income is realized, it would be recorded only when it is realized in cash. Accrual basis we cannot take an amount which is credited but not yet deposited. So that is the accrual basis. Question number 425. Question number 425. That is question number 425 is very much important and it is related to the concept, that is question number 425 is related to the concept what is capital employed. What is capital employed? So the answer is for capital employed, assets plus working capital. This is the formula for capital employed, one formula. Then next most important question where most students fail, that is what is shareholders fund. What is shareholders fund? So shareholders fund, what we will do? We will do two things. In shareholders fund we will do two things. First is we will record the shares, that is shares, that is both preference plus equity, plus we will add the amount of retained earnings. So that will be shareholders fund. This is the most important question regarding shareholders fund, and this is the question which is used for return on investment. Share capital, we will not add retained earnings, we will add reserves and surplus. We will add reserves and surplus over here. Clear? What is capital employed? What is shareholders fund? This is very much clear. Next question. Next question we have with us. So we will continue with the next questions in next video.